ICE is giving you Mexicans a nigga reminder. They reminding all y'all that y'all just like niggas. But y'all think y'all better than niggas. And that's your problem. Y'all been so racist towards the black man. Towards the same race that's in the same boat as y'all. And y'all been praising the white man. The same man that wants your people the fuck up out of here. And it's sad. It is sad. It's sad because I know, and just like a lot of other black folks know, our history. We know our history. Black man ain't never did nothing to the Mexican man. White folks have though. White folks took your country. Took your country right from under your people. Black folks ain't did nothing. But, like I said in my last post, in jail, and I'm just talking to the Southsider Mexicans, because the Norteño Mexicans, they run with the brothers. I'm talking to these Southsiders, these NKs, these ones that have the audacity. Y'all have the fucking audacity to say y'all niggas killers. But on the other hand, when the shit didn't hit the fan, y'all out here talking about, we're all the black folks that's supporting us. But y'all have the audacity to say that y'all nigga killers. And you do. Y'all got fucking gangs that say y'all strictly NK. Not white K. No. Nah, y'all not white K. The same motherfucker that wants your people up out of here that's rounding your people up like animals and shipping them up out of here. No, y'all not white K. Y'all nigga killers. The same motherfucker that live in your apartment building. The same motherfucker you go down to the liquor store, and the same motherfucker you go to the laundromat and he's there. You have the audacity to say you nigga killers. Where you get that from? Huh? And I'm talking to you Mexicans. Where the fuck you get that from, bro?
Alright? They're rounding your asses up with their unrighteous decrees and take your asses to El Salvador, man. You know what I'm saying? And guess what? That's all through the Lord, through Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua, man. Okay? So I was elated, I laughed, I didn't give a fuck, man. That's just what it is, because our people are wicked, man. Alright? We brothers in LA and brothers down south, we know, we see it. You know what I'm saying? We see the hate towards us, man. We feel that shit, even in supermarkets. Even at work, at the job, man. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? Now the Lord's kicking your ass right now. For you to know that you cannot be the so-called white man. No matter how much you worship and kiss his fucking boots, you will never be like the so-called white man, Esau, Edom. You are part of the 12 tribes of Israel. You Jacob, man. Shalom, we'll give all praise and glory to Yahweh, Ba'Shem, Yahushai, Ba'Shem, Bahak, Kadash. Give double honor to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Peace and salutation with the whole elect Akim that's pushing his words. It's Thomas Doc from the GMS Los Angeles camp. Coming back with another video. So, you know, I was in my car and I had a lot of alerts on the phone. You know, I was on Instagram and, you know, I had a lot of, you know, Northern Kingdomers, man, you know, haters that hate the Southern Kingdom. You know, just blasting my fucking Instagram up because of my opinions of certain fighters, man, cowardly fighters that's out there now. But you know, I just want to give you the gist of it. You know, doing racist remarks and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Looking at their last names, Jose, Hector, and all that other shit. You know what I'm saying? And then boom, I get an alert that ICE is in downtown LA gathering up all the Northern Kingdom up and locking their asses up, man. Now who the monkeys in the cages now? How about that, man? What you don't realize, all these unrighteous decrees that the so-called white man who you worship, that we know, we in LA, we know you dumbass niggas out there, man. All right? They're rounding your asses up through their unrighteous decrees and take your asses to El Salvador, man. You know what I'm saying? And guess what? That's all through the Lord, through Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua, man. Okay? So I was elated, I laughed, I didn't give a fuck, man. That's just what it is, because our people are wicked, man. All right? We brothers in LA, brothers down south, we know, we see it. You know what I'm saying? We see the hate towards us, man. We feel that shit, even in supermarkets, even at work, at the job, man. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? Now the Lord's kicking your ass right now. For you to know, look, you cannot be the so-called white man. No matter how much you worship and kiss his fucking boots, you will never be like the so-called white man, Esau, Edom. You are part of the 12 tribes of Israel. You Jacob, man. All right? That's why we out here, to let you know about that, man. But we already know, down the line, this is only for the elect, man. And there's some beautiful Northern Kingdom brothers out there that they know. Okay? All right, so let's get with the scriptures, man. All right, this is Isaiah the 10th chapter, verse 1. Woe unto them that decree unrighteous decrees, meaning destruction upon those who write unjust laws. Who? The so-called white man, Esau, Edom. See, you Hispanics don't know that it was Judah that really pretty much built up America, man, along with Gad. Okay? And stuff. And you Latins over here thinking your shit don't fucking stink. And now the Lord is putting boots to ass right now. Okay? Alright? You don't be talking that shit in the old block. I'm just messing around. Alright, so is the so-called white man who you worship is writing this unjust decrees upon you, telling that you don't belong here. You have no idea that you're dwelt here before anybody, man. Okay? Let's read that right unrighteous decrees and right grievousness which they have prescribed. And that's grievousness that the so-called white man is putting on our people, further oppressing you, man. Okay? Wake your asses up, man. Your Kanye Asade days of eating rights is over, bro. Okay? It's time to repent, face the east, and repent to Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua. All right? Now, here's proof that the Lord sent it to you, because he said it in Jeremiah 11:11 that he gonna send evil upon our people. Yep. All right? And who's that evil? The so-called white man, Esau, Edom. Go to Proverbs. He shall create the evil. What's that? He should create the wicked for the days of evil. Yep. All right. So let's go to Isaiah 10. We're gonna go to verse 6. I will send him, Esau, Edom, against a hypocritical nation. You so-called Negro, Latino, Native Americans are a hypocritical nation, man. You're a bunch of hypocrites, man. That's right. All right. And we see that shit every fucking day here, man. Mind my French. All right. I will send him against a hypocritical nation, and against the people of my wrath will I give him a charge, and to take the spoil, and to take the prey, and to tread them down like the mire of the streets. That's what's happening in downtown LA. All you fucking taco eating bastards is getting rounded up by the so-called white man and getting your asses locked up, man. Okay? All right. So who's laughing now? Who's laughing right now, man? All praises to Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua, because we can't stand you motherfuckers, man. All right, the wicked ones, man. All right, so let's go to Jeremiah 11, verse 11. It goes together, man. Jeremiah 11:11, and it reads, you got motherfuckers crying and shit on the telecast. Like, motherfuckers, the so-called white man don't give a shit about your tears. The ones that you reported to, they were laughing inside their heart about your punk ass, man. All right, so this is Jeremiah 11, verse 11. Therefore, thus said the Lord, behold, I will bring evil upon them which they should not be able to escape. Y'all couldn't escape. No matter how many cars you're trying to run into, y'all couldn't escape from ICE, man. The Lord sent ICE to humble you motherfuckers, man. Okay? And to humble our people as a whole, man. Because you niggas are not safe too, man. All right? I will bring evil upon them which they shall not be able to escape, and though they shall cry unto me, right now you're begging to Jesus Cristo and Santa Maria. Those are idols. They're not listening to you, man. Okay? I will not hearken unto them. Basically, the Lord said, I'm not going to listen to your cries and your pleas, because the Lord sent his men, his servants, to tell you about yourself, man. Okay? So guess what? ICE is justified for what they're doing right now. Why? Because it's sanctioned through Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. That's what it is, man. If you too emotional on this, tough titty, man. Okay? Then shall the cities of Judah and the inhabitants of Jerusalem go together, that's talking about the north and south, all right, and cry unto the gods whom they offer incense, Jesus Christo, Santa Maria, Buddha, and other bullshit you do, all right? But they shall not save them at all in the time of their trouble. All those idols that you worship is not going to save you, man. The only ones that's going to be saved are the elect of Israel, man. Plain and simple. First and foremost. From who? Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. Not no fucking Jesus Cristo. Not no Dios. Not no Santa Maria. And all the bullshit, man. Okay? All that witchcraft y'all do is not going to work too, man. Alright? Them demons is going to go against you. And guess what? The Lord sent those demons. Esau, Edom, to round your punk asses up, man. Alright? The Kanye Sada rice is over now, man. Alright? So then, hope your brothers and sisters edified. Mind the rant. Shalom.